Synergi, powering intelligent customer engagement by transforming your data into actionable insights across multiple channels. Synergi Dashboard provides a complete funnel view with provision for reporting on organic activity. The full accounting of all originations activity reduces data errors that we usually see in a marketing funnel compared to production reports. Our dashboard allows users to compare actuals to forecast and review pipelines based on turn times computed using past performance. One can drill down to multiple views of the funnel or by campaigns, channels, and offers segments with Synergi insights guiding on the next action steps. For example, a recommendation of including a channel will directly take the user to our integration section. Synergi thrives on our clients' data inputs. We've designed multiple avenues for data connection to our platform. Clients can integrate via our existing APIs, utilize our SFTP services, or establish a direct DMS from their current RDS. Synergi is adept at handling both PII and non-PII data. Clients can easily ID their data independently and employ our services exclusively for model building, segmentation, and offers, while backend data integrations for CRM, LMS, and LOS are tailored based on the client's preferences and systems. For the front-end digital engagement, we collaborate with leading organizations like Google through agency accounts. A simple sharing of account details empowers us to oversee your complete digital marketing initiatives. The process is seamless for those leveraging our upload and download capabilities. Define the data you want to upload, map columns to the established structure, and proceed with the upload. Your data becomes the cornerstone of our analytics and modeling processes. We meticulously harmonize our clients' data, then employ historical data and performance KPIs to craft optimal strategies tailored for you. Think of segments as your personalized tool to categorize or differentiate your borrower base. To illustrate, credit triggers might represent one segment, while loans that rank high on a prepayment model could depict another. Leveraging Synergi's sophisticated inbuilt models, we artfully segment these for you. Having integrated data, coordinated vendors, and crafted segments and offers, it's time to activate. To truly connect with your borrowers, our seamless 360 campaign setup springs to action. In just a handful of interactive screens, you can roll out multi-channel campaigns. Start by naming your campaign, setting its objective, and choosing channels. Lean on our expertise for channel recommendations or tailor it yourself. With our platform, you're not just crafting a message, but orchestrating the symphony of acquisition, retention, servicing, and origination updates. As you progress, pick your segments and offers, then fine-tune channel-specific strategies. Ultimately, Synergi is the pulse of your customer engagement journey. It's an all-encompassing platform, from analytical dashboards to campaign deployment, powered by AWS Cloud Services for security. For a tailored demo and a brighter tomorrow, visit synergi.ai. Let's innovate together.